Alright guys, after that experience, I felt worse. But now I'm feeling a lot better, and we're going to be testing 2 sirens. I opened a window in my room, sometimes we could hear sirens go off. It's 11:59. I'm testing the modulator and the 500 at the same time. So, let's just wait. So, that experience of the reaction was terrible. I don't know. But I feel like I'm not going to do another reaction ever again. But at the same time, I do. But I got to make sure that... Oh my gosh, I'm traumatized. I can't even sleep anymore. I don't want to sleep now. But now... let's start them. Yo! Come on. It's over. Dang it. I'm experiencing some technical difficulty, guys. It's over. You can buzz off. Screwdriver. Screwdriver! I can't find the screwdriver. Found it. Whew. Well, that was kind of successful. The 500 was not turning off. But the reason why it's not rotating is because apparently if I rotate it... You guys hear that rubbing? Ow! But you guys hear that rubbing? Look what happened. The motor fell. So now it's like rubbing. So that's going to be a problem. So I need to repair the 500. Modulator still works. So, yeah, that's the siren test. Okay, turn it off now.